What's the meaning of chiropodist? Chiropodist. Chiropodist.
Chiropodist. Chiropodist. A chiropodist is a medical professional who specializes in treating foot and ankle problems. They are trained to diagnose and treat conditions such as corns, calluses, ingrown toenails, and foot injuries. Chiropodists also provide preventative care by educating patients on proper foot hygiene and advising them on appropriate footwear. Their ultimate goal is to help patients maintain healthy feet, which can have a positive impact on their overall well-being. By seeking the services of a chiropodist, patients can expect to receive expert care that is tailored to their specific needs.